Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarita. So today I'll be showing you how to make a wire bracelet. So this is again from a aluminium wire. You can see this is the bracelet we are going to make. It's a bangle actually. So it looks really beautiful when you wear this. So I'll just show you. Uh, so this has a lobster clasp here. So I hope you will enjoy watching this tutorial with me. So let's go and see the tutorial. Thank you. We need 12 crystal beads of different colors, clasp and small jump ring and bigger jump rings. So this is a 16 gauge aluminium wire of 14 inch. It's a 24 gauge wire. First you need to bend the wire in the middle exactly to both the side it has to be equal. So 7 inch would be my middle point. We need like a U shape. I'm just pushing close so that it is easy for working. Now we will take 24 gauge wire around 14 inch, cut 14 inch, and we need to wrap it where we have made the bend. Some 4-5 wraps you need to do. Later we are going to take the beads in them. Trim the ends. I'm taking same color 3 beads at a time. make a small loop at the end. Later we will cut that off, just to make sure the beads does not fall away. So now what we will do, we will have to make small pieces of wires. So take around 2 inch of wires. So we are going to make a pattern there. So we need 2 inches, 12 pieces for a 7-inch bracelet. Since bracelet will also have jump rings towards the end, we only need 12 pieces. So first take the 2-inch one, make a bend, and now place it after the single bead, and the other wire with the help of round nose plier again press it and bring it close to the wire, the first wire. So you may use flat nose plier. As this is a 16 gauge one, it's a bit harder, so I would need a flat nose plier to press that. So now you can cut the excess. Cut towards the top, because while wearing it should not prick. So the other side, always do the pressing only on the top side, because the other side needs to be smooth, so that it will not prick when we wear the bracelet. So one more I am showing. See to it that there is a ½ inch gap between each bead, like the dia of the bracelet. Keep it ½ inch. Should need not be exact, but see to it that it is maintaining the same. So anyways, this is a asymmetric design, so it's okay, it may not be too exact. So just repeat until you reach finishing till the last bead. So we have done till the end. Now whatever the excess wire you have, use it for wrapping, so the beads are secure in there. Cut off the excess wire. So now we will do the wrapping, joining both the wires together, because we are going to make a loop over there, and we are going to add the jump rings to it. So cut the excess wire, and using round nose plier make a loop. The excess wire that we have, bring through the hole that we have towards the end of the bracelet. So push it and pull it from the other side, and make loops on either side of the bracelet. So now we need to make the bangle shape uh, with our hands. So we have to see which is the softer side, like which does not have any uh, pricking side. So that side should come inward. So then we need to give shape to our bangle. Slowly press it towards inward, the softer side. Make it half circle. And now you have to add jump rings on both sides and attach the clasp. Just attaching the clasp. So there we are done with our bracelet. So it's so simple. Please do try. And I have made one more with different color. So this is the other one. This looks really pretty when you wear. So please do let me know in comment section if you like this bracelet, and please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed so far. Thanks for watching.